There's only one boot man today, farmer. Hey man, say man, this is the famous Jerry Marks. And we're back with another video. Oh, finally, you didn't hear me? I said we're back with another video. Okay, finally, don't forget to smash that like button. If you're new to the channel, smash that subscribe button. But yeah, we're back again there, finally. Don't forget, if you fellas want to ever send some gifts or send some letters, I will always drop it down in the description. For today, for breakfast and lunch, we have our bag of lollies as usual. We've got tomato sauce, waddies. Has to be waddies. Then we've got salt, some pre-buttered bread, and some chops. And then I'm just going to make me some wheat bix with milk powder, sugar, and the milk. But yeah, no, pretty excited for today finally. We're just waiting for our Hawani to pick us up. I just woke up at 5:45, so that gives me enough time to get up, get my stuff packed into my bags, get it outside, and then when Hawani comes, then we can jump straight into the vehicle and then shoot off to work. We've been working out Potu ways, which is out Dargaville way. So shout out to people whoever's from Potu. Shout out to people whoever's from Dargaville. But yeah, our vlog was kind of short yesterday. It was 20 minutes. So I got to make sure I take more footage today for the pruning. Try and get some photos. Try and get some features. It being the first day, I did not too bad. I actually did 68 yesterday finally. So I went over 50. But we'll we'll try and get some more videos today and some more features for the vlog, so we've got more things to post. We ended up posting Rawuri Winder, aka Wind It Up, yesterday on YouTube as a short, and then we put them on Facebook too. But yeah, finally, I'll probably see you in a bit, just waiting for Hawani to come pick us up. But yeah, I'm just gonna have some cereals because I need to have some breakfast, get something inside me, and then yeah, we'll just wait for Taki and hopefully he can come pick us up. I'll leave my phone on, I'll leave my Wi-Fi on just in case if the gate's still locked. But yeah, I'll probably see you fellas in a bit there finally. We're definitely pruning today out Potu, aka Dargaville ways, but cruisy hairs out there, cruisy hairs. Okay, finally just ended up buying some oil from the shop. I forgot to buy it. Here's our salmon tank. Yeah, just got us some oil for our pruners to loosen up the pruners. They're pretty good. Yeah, just doing the rounds. I think we got everyone. Got our salmon tank. Bronco Rob today, the oil. The Rawuri and there went down to the dairy, so yeah, should be shooting off soon. Wow. Right, gee. There's only one boot man today, farmer. There's only one boot. No, I'm just trying Skeleto. To Skeleto. Where's the boots? Let's go finally. We're back out here again. Potu Dargaville. Gonna start pruning. Got our bag of lollies today. I'm gonna sharpen up our pruners. I got some oil too. So you're gonna have some lollies. Got our water. I did our squeezy bottle too. So where's our bottle? Oh, I ended up buying the oil. So I got us some oil. Costed me $22. Holy shit. Wanted to save my money, but we need the oil, so I ended up grabbing us the oil. Just grab our musty bottle, wherever it is. Should be somewhere.
I thought you had some gear.
John Richard had some gear.
How could I have gear when this van's all a minute?
Oh, fun, I don't know what to do with my mustard bottle. Oh, there it is. So yeah, this is our oil. So it's not a mustard bottle, it's actually got oil in it. And I'll use this for our pruners and that. So yeah, I'll do a bit of maintenance with our gears. I'm going to carry the headband today because I couldn't get a proper angle for the GoPro. And then yeah, got our brand new diamond. Ooh, not my favourite colour, but this is brand new. That's good, top dollar. Sharpen up the gears. And then yeah, let's rock and roll. Let's go. Okay, finally just having a bit of a sharpen up. Just going to wait for our onk. I even got the oil too. Mustard bottle.
There's got a fuck top there, big top. What?
Yeah, don't prune it. The head's fucked, look.
The head's dying on it. Oh,
yeah.
Cut that one in. Oh, they put me in this vlog. Be in this
You
vlog.
come here.
You won't believe it, he's blowing up on Facebook already. Yep, wind it up, Fana, aka wind it up. That's his nickname. Good nickname. Stick by it.
Flatty, you gotta have a flat.
Yeah. Starting Kaori there too.
Oh, you right there, Sibio. Sibio,
Hey.
And I'll just throw this in.
Nah, not on that. Everywhere else, same over.
Salmon tank there, Fana, salmon tank. Ready to rock and roll, let's go. Okay, just gotta touch up these pruners. Hopefully you can hear me. Lucky we got the wind slayer on. Little. Oh, brother. Let's go.
Yeah, oh, hey.
Yo.
Hi.
Hi. Bye.
I'm waiting. Yeah, oh,
he's
what's
the
up,
way.
ladder? I'm too hard out, my bro. You didn't go on the boat.
Get the left
They go on the boat.
Touch up the pruners there, Fana, and then give it some oil, and it should be good. Always maintenance your gears. Always maintenance your gears. Keep them touched up, they'll look after you.
Jump on the ladder. Yeah, jump up. He's gonna jump on the ladder. He must be on chainsaw. Yeah, that's him. He's gonna go around and he's not on the ladder, bro.
Yeah.
You gonna jump on the ladder or stay? Nah.
Nah, stay on that, Togo.
Stay on the saw out. Just trim them up.
Yeah.
Stay on that.
Yeah.
You got your selection, say.
Yeah, he's on. Yeah, yeah. Keep him like that.
Shut up.
Are you gonna loop in for me?
Yeah, bro. Those old boy can't keep coming up the ladder with these, whatever.
Yeah, fuck no. Yeah, keep him healthy on that saw, yeah.
This one's gonna live with the saw.
The whole thing.
No, only when it takes off.
Yeah.
Doesn't have to do every tree, you know.
Oh, yeah, but he's on this side.
He's on side, bro. Fuck, two on that side, two on that
Are you
side.
gonna go first side, Togo?
Yeah, I'll do the tree here, go there.
Ew.
Alright. Oi! Have you get your ladder?
No, I'm a snake.
Snakes are left. But I landed on snakes, so I gotta go back down. Okay, we got the oil today, Fano. We should be fine now. This will loosen up. I need to smash off this bolt because this is the wrong bolt.
Right there.
Brother Z threw it on.
Daddy right there.
You're the one that's late to out of this.
Daddy right there.
Standard. Wolf and Richard. Yeah, Uncle Toretto. Uncle Rob. Oop. Okay, just oil this up and we should be good. Oh. Nice. This will loosen her up. Nice. Okay, that should keep it nice and thingy. My salmon tank. Take our salmon tank back this thing. Come on. Okay, let's rock and roll, Fano. Let's rock and roll. I got the headband today too, so I'll make it easier. Let's get some better recordings. Let's go. Get this on.
We wait for a little bit. 8 hours.
Kia ora. Stay there, whānau.
One wheeler. SCL PRUNING Don't.
Okay, whānau, this is J1, let's go. Got the headband on today, can get better angles. Just cleaning this tree, it's been chainsawed, so just gotta clean it up. Esqueleto, esqueleto. Let's clean this tree up.
Yeah.
Probably take one well.
Yeah.
Bit of a clean up on this one.
Hurry up.
Clean up on aisle 10. These are the worstest ones to get, whānau. The hairy fuckers. Little rat tails. Okay, lovely. Now these pruners ain't as good as my brothers, so hopefully over time I can get them nice and sharp there, whānau. Get them nice and sharp, touch them up. They should come right. Go as far as we can reach. Yep, that'll do. Lovely, next tree. Next one is J2. So I like to mark one on the front there, whānau, so when we're leaving work, you can see my numbers all the way out. J2. Nilo's already pruned this one, see? With the chainsaw. Hourly roadside pruning. Cruisy as. This pruners ain't the best, but over time we'll get them good. We'll swap this bolt out. Gotta swap out one of the handle bolts there, not even the actual bolt. Okay, make sure we clean the bottoms. Now boot laces they call them. So right on the bottom, see? Make sure you clean that up. Slow and steady, slow and steady. Okay, up we go. Now going as far as we can reach there, whānau, but if the tree is tiny, you're going to go half the way. Now these pruners will take a while, a couple of weeks to get them right. See, I got to change this bolt finally because it's not the right bolt. It's been smashed on now, so either I tighten it and then overheat the bolt, it will snap, and then I just swap it out for the proper bolt that we've got in our little toolbox thingy there. Carrying our lollies on us and a bit of a pie for feed, a little snacker later on. I'll probably take that wheel too, get the height. That's a good height. These taller trees you want to go higher. Normally you go half the tree, but go a bit higher. Now, vlog was shorter yesterday whānau, so we got to get a longer vlog. Nice, that's a good height. Yeah. Probably take that next wheel on, and that's it. Yeah, that one, and that's it. That'll be height. Yeah, right there.
What's up out there, Mo?
Yeah. Uncle Rob, whānau, Uncle Rob. It's a little. Nice steady day there, whānau. Just some low medium pruning roadside. Try and get some more content with the headband, just so we can make our vlog longer, because last night's vlog was a bit too short. It's only 20 minutes. Sadly, whānau doesn't like short vlogs, they like long ones, so you've got to get at least 25 to 30 minutes. I'm already missing Princess, my dog. Like, she's cute, whānau. At first I thought she was going to be too dear, but she's worth every penny now. Like, she has cuddles with me, you know, chills with me, she's cool as. This is number 21 anyway, it's J21. Last one over there was 20, so J21, then J22. Lilo's chainsawing up, low pruning them for me, which makes it easier. But look at that, whānau. Small branching. Easy as.
Hey, what is this? 11 years.
Probably just form prune this one. Don't want to rape the tree. Take the big one, but leave the small one. Nice. Next street. Going's mean here, finally. Mean. Next one, 22, J22. Accidentally left my GoPro on there finally, so my battery is going low. But like I bring my selfie stick, I'll charge it up when I get there. Back to the van, which shouldn't be too far away. Now I seen that my brother forestry FCS, sorry. They use nylon onto the gloves. Okay, that's a pretty good ingenuity. I wouldn't have thought about that one. We're just always known to use epi knives. All the reddies. Get rid of those. Make sure there's no boot laces. That's what rat tails boot laces. They go by many names. You can leave them on the bottom. That's what you don't want. Plotter will check that and then you'll have to come back and clean it up. So we don't want that. That's a big no-no. I don't even think we need to take a, could handle one wheel. Say one wheel, that's it. Take out these little ones, put them form prune. Lovely. Leave that one too. Yeah, that's it. Big street. Okay, final just on 40. 40 for the telly. We're just having lunchtime now. Show you fellas what I got for lunch today. It's what you would have seen this morning.
Yeah.
So I've got some pre-buttered bread, super thick too. If it ain't thick, then okay, finally, this is what we got for lunch. We got us some wari sauce, watis. We got some tote, some salt. Then we've got us 2 chops baby girl made for me yesterday, and then we've got super thick bread. So we had to just, I'll have to trim that video because the GoPro dropped, because the window thing didn't stick on properly. But yeah, just gonna have a bit of a feed final and then probably smash our last couple of numbers to get to our tally today. So yeah, we'll probably go to time limit today, 5:30 again, no doubt. Yeah, I'll see you fellas in a bit, final, and then we'll be doing our last push for the day. Pruning's pretty good out there. you can see. Jamie has road type pruning. Nice. Okay, finally last push of the day. We're just cleaning off these fucking branches. But yeah, not too bad for vlog 102 going back to my part 83. Yeah, so last push of the day. Pretty cruise afternoon. Probably just finish this up and then that'll be us. Homer, 5:30.
Not scarf, I went pruning, I went planting. Fuck yeah. I'm learning slowly but surely. Day by day.
Skillodo. Much love.
Okay.
AKA much love.
Okay. Fucking hell. I'm in this. Okay, cut.
Valdi, AKA wind it up.
Be something up.
Yes, Fano, we are in the sand. Okay, Fano, that was vlog 102 going back to my part 83. Catch us on the next vlog tomorrow, and that'll be vlog 104 going back to my part 84. Okay, Fano, I know that was the end of the vlog, but we stopped for a bit of a sneaky feed before we go home. Some chicken and chips. So just open them up. Just got me a kiwi munch that comes with some chips, thigh and a drumstick, and then I got me a Mountain Dew. But yeah, catch us on the next vlog anyways, Fano. Today was vlog 102 going back to my part 83. Tomorrow will be vlog 103 going back to my part 84 tomorrow. Bye.